Are you struggling to extract a specific JSON object in JMeter? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle how to extract the name field from your JSON data. I totally get it. Extracting data from JSON can be tricky, especially when you're getting results in an array format instead of the clean output you need. You're in the right place to find a solution. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked how to extract the name from the following JSON data. They mentioned using the JSON path extractor with the expression $name, but it returned the result in an array format. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So why is this happening? When you use the JSON path extractor, it often returns results in an array format, even if there's only one item. This can be frustrating, but there are ways to get just the value you need. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to extract just the value without the array format. And I promise it will make your JMeter experience much smoother. To extract the name from the JSON data without the array format, the user should modify the JSON path extractor settings. First, they need to change the JSON path expression to simply access the first element directly. Next, the user should ensure that the variable name is set correctly in the JSON path extractor. This will allow them to store the extracted value without the array brackets. After making these changes, the user should run their test again. This will extract the value of name directly as a string instead of an array. Finally, the user can verify the extracted value by checking the JMeter results tree. They should see the name extracted as X without any array format. Fun fact, JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It's a lightweight format that's easy for humans to read and write and for machines to parse and generate, but sometimes it can be a bit tricky. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the variable name1 after extracting the array with the JSON path expression name. This allows you to access the first element directly. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by a user involves using a bean shell post-processor in JMeter. They suggest extracting the name by manipulating the variable to remove unwanted characters. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests modifying your JSON path expression. Instead of using $name, you should use $name to directly access the name attribute from the first object in the array. Here's a pro tip. Always test your JSON path expressions in a tool like JSON Path Online Tester. It can save you a lot of time and frustration when you're trying to extract specific data. And there you have it. You should now be able to extract the name value from your JSON data without the array format. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more JMeter tips and tricks.